Hello, today I will guide you on how to create dependent drop-down lists in Excel. First, we'll create a drop-down list with many options, for example, the months of the year. It's just best to create the list in a separate sheet. I added a new sheet and listed the months there. Now go back to the main sheet, select the cell where you want the drop-down. Go to the Data tab, then Data Validation under the Data Tools group. In the Settings tab, select List as the validation type. Click the arrow in the source field and select the range in the sheet too. Press Enter, then click OK. Now your drop-down list is ready. Let's now create a short drop-down list with only two items, yes and no. Select the target cell for the new drop-down. Again, go to Data. Select Data Validation. Choose List and in the source field type yes, no. Click OK and you set you're done. And that's how you create drop-down lists in Excel quickly and easily. Thanks for watching and see you next time.